In this video, I'll show you how to set the clock and different ways to display the clock on your new Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may be a 1-DIN model or a 2-DIN model and may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio in-dash receiver models: MVH-S320BT and 322BT, MVH-S420BT, MVH-S522BS, MVH-S620BS and 622BS, MVH-S720BHS, DEH-S4200BT and 4220BT, DEH-S5200BT, DEH-S6220BS and 6220BS, DEH-S7200BHS, FHS520BT, FHS720BS, and 722BS. So from any source, and I'm on the AM/FM radio source right now, I can choose any source that I want here. I'm just going to go back around to the radio. And I'm going to touch in on the volume control here, and we want to roll along here until we find the System menu. Here's System. Now let's press Enter. And now let's roll along here until we find Clock Set. Here's Clock Set, and we'll press Enter again. So I have a 12-hour display here, and I can roll over with the volume control to change to a 24-hour display if I want to. I like a 12-hour display in my clock, so I'm going to choose 12-hour. Let's press in on the volume control. That takes us over to the hours, and you can see right now we're on PM. If I roll back toward 11, that changes to AM. If I roll past 12, it goes over to PM. So we're going to make this 1:25 PM. Once we're done with the hours, press in on the volume control, and we'll adjust the minutes here. We'll make it 1:25. There we go, and I'll press in on the volume control again. When you're done making your adjustments to the clock, let's press the arrow back button. That takes us back out to the source menu. That takes us back out to the radio. Now, I'd like to see the clock displayed on the radio, but I don't see it right now. So I'm going to touch the display button right here. We'll touch display, and that shows us the radio frequency. Touch display again, and that will display the clock. So here we have the clock displayed over here. Touch that one more time. That takes us to a spectrum analyzer and back around to our broadcast info. But I want to see that clock, so I'm going to touch it a couple of times till I get the clock on the display. Now, let's say that I'm done listening to music right now. I just want to switch the in-dash receiver off. I don't want to hear any music, but I would still like to see the display. That's easy. Press and hold the source button up here for a couple of seconds. That will switch the in-dash receiver off. And you can see that it's completely gone out now, no lights on the display, but I would like to see the clock. So even with the in-dash receiver switched off, touch that display button again, and the clock will be displayed even though no music is playing.